Class talan tayo ng problem for situation 3. A beam 12 meter long is fixed at both ends. So itong problem na ito, fully restrained daw yung beam natin, fixed at both ends. It carries a uniformly distributed load of 30 kilonewton per meter, throughout its length. To prevent excessive deflection, a support is added at the midspan. So determine the following: reaction at center support here at the end B of the beam AB, and determine the maximum positive moment. Okay? So, ganito yan. Yung atin daw pong beam ay fully restrained. Meaning to say, fix, fix. To prevent excessive deflection, naglagay ng roller sa gitna. So, we will have 6 meters na dito and 6 meters kasi nga sa midspan, pinatak. Okay? So, ito yung atin pong loading. Ito po si 30 kilonewton per meter. Okay? So, pag ganyan pong fix at 3 moment ang gamit natin, nag-extend po tayo. At tandaan nyo po sa lecture 1, sa set 1 natin sa theory, lahat ng variables mag-pertain sa mga yan, sa O and O prime will be 0 kasi nga yung moment of inertia sa part na yan ay infinite po yung value. Meaning to say, sobrang laki. And nasa divisor kasi natin si moment of inertia, that's why nag-0 siya. Okay? So, pangalanan muna natin yung points natin. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay? So 3 points at a time using 3 moment equation. We have O, A, and B. Okay? So we will have MO, LO plus 2MA times 6 plus 0. Kasi nga si LO ay 0. Okay? Plus 6MB plus 6A bar A over LO plus 6A bar B over L2 equal to 0. So since nga lahat ng variable ay 0, kasi nga po I natin dito ay infinite. Okay? So 0, 0 din ito. Okay? Simplifying our equation, we will have 12MA plus 6MB. And sa formula natin, doon sa table na binigay ko, 6A bar B natin will be W L cube over 4 equal to 0. So we will have 12MA plus 6MB equal to negative over 4. Negative 1620. And this is our first equation. Okay? Again, this is our first equation. 4 points OAB. Okay, next. We have A, B, and C. Okay? So we will have 6MA plus 2MB. L1 plus L2, that is 12. Okay? Plus 6MC. And paras lang po kasi ito. Yung 6A bar A nito over L1 plus 6A bar B over L2. Still, same loading, we will have the same value na 1620. That is still WL cube over 4. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, times 2 na lang. Times 2, 1620 equal to 0. So, simplifying our equation, we will have 6MA plus 24MB plus 6MC equal to negative 3240. And this is our second equation. Okay? So, after natin makuha itong equation ni ABC, okay, this is our second equation. Proceed tayo sa another 3 points. And that will be B, C, and O prime. Again, any points or any variables mag-pertain sa O prime, that will be 0. So start tayo. We will have 6MB plus 2MC. 6 plus 0, kasi nga si LO prime ay 0. Plus MO prime, LO prime, and that will be 0. Plus 6A bar A over L1 plus 6A bar B over L2 equal to 0. Or LO prime. Okay? So ito, 0 pa rin. And still, 1620 ito. Okay? So we will have 6MB plus 12MC equal to negative 1620. And this will be our third equation. Okay? Third equation po natin yan. Alright. Now we have our three equations. We can use the mode equation. Then hanapin nyo po yung pang three equations, trianon. Ito. We have 12, 6, 0, and negative 1620 for our first equation. For our second equation, we will have 6, 24, and 6, then negative 3240. Okay? For our third equation, MA is equal to 0, MB is equal to 6, and MC is equal to 12. Our constant, negative 1620. Okay? So our moment ay 90, 90, 90, 90 lahat sila. So MA is equal to negative 90, MB is equal to negative 90, MC is also equal to negative 90. So meaning to say, silang tatlo ay puro pasimangot. Okay? So guys, ito problem na ito. Alam ko may encounter nyo sa CRF na meron tong formula. So again, sa exam, kahit anong gamitin nyo, okay lang. Kung mag-formula kayo, okay lang. Kung mag-3 moment kayo, okay lang. Basta tumama kayo. Huwag nyo lang dadayain. Okay? So ayan. Ito yung mga moments natin. Now, gamitin natin yung tinuro kong technique kanina. So, cut tayo. Segment. Okay, segment ulit dito. Oops, di pantay. Ayan. We will have VAR just to the right. VBL. VBR. And VCL. Okay, take note, we have our moments. Negative moment, itama na natin. 90, 90, 90. Okay, so 90, 90, and 90. Ngayon, yung load natin, i-concentrate na natin, ano? So, siya si 30 times 6. Oops. 30 times 6, and that is 180. Okay? O, 180 daw ito. 180. 180. Okay? We have our SBR, EMR, and shear. Okay? So, sa SBR, since nasa gitna siya, divide to lang. That will be 90. 90 for VAR. 90 for BBL. 90 dito, and 90 dito. Okay? Next, for EMR, again, ang sabi ko dyan, we need to calculate the net moment per segment. Since we have a counterclockwise 90 kilonewton meter moment sa left, and we have the clockwise 90 kilonewton meter sa right, clockwise, counterclockwise, nagkontrahan po sila. Meaning to say, yung net moment nila ay 0. So, ibig sabihin po, yung EMR natin ay 0, 0, 0. Kasi ganun din dito. Ito counterclockwise, ito clockwise. Ibig sabihin, kung same magnitude sila, nagkontrahan lang silang dalawa. So, ibig sabihin, yung shear pala natin sa BAR is just 90, 90, 90, and 90 na rin sa iba. Ito rin po si AY, and i-times to nyo po, this will be BY equal to 180, and this will be CY. Okay? So, our answer for the first problem is 180. 180 kilonewton. Okay? So, next, ano po ba yung tanong? Shear at the end B of beam AB. So, nakuha na natin yan. Ito po yan si, ito po yung si BL. Kasi ang sabi, shear sa B kay segment AB. So, yung segment na pinapatungkulan po ay ito. Kasi ito si A, ito si B. Okay? Next. Determine the maximum positive moment. So, ganun din ito. Sa previous problem natin, paano siya magde-deflect? Una, wala muna siyang rotation. Tapos, saka siya lalaylay. Sisimangon sa roller. Lalaylay. Then, pagdating sa A, nag-90 degrees yung ating elastic curve. So, alam natin na yung ating positive bending somewhere nandito. Kasi ngumiti siya dyan eh. At nagsimangot dito, pangita na negative talaga yung moment natin dyan. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, magka-cut po tayo. Okay, cut natin. Punta tayo sa kabila. So ito yung beam natin. Take note, fix po yan. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong, palitan natin kulay. Ito yung fix natin. So we have our reaction AY, 90. We have our negative moment. Okay, tama natin yung direction. 90 din ito. Okay. Ayan. Then, we have our loading, 30. 30 kilonewton per meter. And this is X. Again, X represents all points dun sa ating segment. Okay? Then, syempre, may expose C, shear at C, moment. Again, at zero shear na andun C, maximum moment. So, we need to obtain the equation for shear. Okay? So, paano? Summation ng forces vertical. Equal to 0, upwards positive. We have 90 minus 30 times X. 30 times X minus V equal to 0. So, V is equal to 30X minus 90. Okay? Now, let's equate this to 0. And X will be equal to X is equal to 3 meters. 3 meters daw siya from left. So, with that, kuha naman tayo ng equation para sa moment. M is equal to 0, counterclockwise. Okay? So, we will have M minus 90 times X plus 90. Okay? So, sino si 90? Ito po yan. Take note, wala yung moment arm kasi moment na iyan. Okay? So, plus 30 X, that will be the base, times kalahati kasi nga tatama sa centroid. 6 X over 2 equal to 0. M is equal to 90X minus 15X squared minus 90. Okay? So, substitute natin si X equal to 3 and M will be equal to M, or maximum positive moment, is equal to 45 kilonewton meter. So this is our answer for our last problem. Okay? So guys, ito yung ating solution sa situation 3. Yung situation 2 ay bukas ko i-record. So ang gusto ko sana mangyari, though i-upload ko siya ngayon, panoorin nyo to sa inyong most convenient time. At unahin nyo rin po yung inyong kaligtasan, lalo na may bagyo. Kung kailan po kayo available at kung kailan na safe, saka nyo po ito panoorin. Unahin nyo po muna ang inyong mga sarili at ang inyong pamilya. So yun, keep safe. Bye-bye.